Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at the iPhone 12 Pro. So I have an iPhone 10 and I'm actually upgrading to the iPhone 12 Pro, and I got it in the blue model. This is a standard 256 gig model, so it's a Sierra Blue 256 gig. I got it carrier unlocked. Should have been here yesterday, launch day, but you know, things got delayed and I got here today, which is fine with me. Along with the phone, I got I believe it's called a later case, and it's essentially just a screen protector for the iPhone tempered glass. And I also got a iPhone 13 Pro clear case. I like the clear cases, so that's why I got one of these, and it's just from Apple because I didn't know what else to get. But yeah, this is the box, and we're just gonna take a quick unboxing, quick overview. So to open it up, we're just gonna peel off the top, and I believe the whole thing just clips, and there it is, the iPhone 13 Pro in blue. 3 cameras. It's kind of big compared to what I currently have. As many of you guys know, with the newer iPhones, they aren't really coming with accessories other than your lightning cable. So it's a lightning to USB-C. Haven't had one of these in a while, so that's cool. And of course, you're designed by Apple in California, with your SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and an Apple sticker, none of which I'm too interested in. So that's that for the phone. Next I'm going to open up the case. So like I mentioned, I got a later case. I'll leave a link to it down below. I don't know. The guides kind of got me sold on this. So the claim was that it's built with, yeah, right here. The claim is it's made with Gorilla Glass, which is why I kind of got it. I know the phones are made with Gorilla Glass, but yeah. And they're available for the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. This is the back of the box, so it's scratch resistant, advanced clarity, impact defense, smooth edges, ultra precise, and simple install. Don't know how true any of that is because I haven't used one. This is our phone. This is our, oh, it comes with 2. Yeah, and this is our tempered glass. So yeah, I haven't done one of these in a while. Just pull out the paper. Satisfying. And next step, install the glass. Let's see how precision we're gonna get. There we go. Case is on. I would have preferred a tempered glass, maybe with a with kind of a guide, but you know, it is what it is. So that's that. And of course, iPhone 13 Pro case. So I'm gonna take a look at this real quick. Mag safe, and the phone's just gonna snap in like so. Obviously I'm gonna massage out these air bubbles, so that's that with that. And for comparison purposes, my current phone, iPhone 10, you know, still being used. No problems with it. It's kind of slow, but you know, yeah. And yeah, there you guys have it. We'll power it on. Have a logo, and we're good to go. So that's been a quick unboxing overview of the iPhone 13 Pro. If you guys like this type of video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz. Hello, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you.